Imagine you are given multiple rectangles on a 2D plane, and your task is to find their area, not to merge them, but to find the largest possible square that can fit inside the intersection of these two rectangles. Is at least two rectangles should intersect it. So here we are given like n rectangles are there, and each rectangle is defined as bottom left AI BI and top right CIDI. Okay, so our goal is to find the maximum area of a square that can fit inside the overlapping regions of any two or more rectangles. If no two rectangles are intersecting, then we have to return 0. So let's focus on two rectangles for now. Suppose this at a time. So a square, the square must lie inside it, the intersection. Okay. So intersection of multiple rectangle is still just a rectangle. If we gonna check for all the pairs of n, but our n is 10 to power 3. Okay, so we can also check for all the means each pair also. So checking each pair is enough because n is 10 to power 3. So we can check for each pair and we can get the answer. So how we'll find the intersection of two rectangles here? Suppose this is rectangle A, this is rectangle B, and in the middle this rectangle is there. Okay, so how we will find the intersection of this? What is the left? Left will be, so if suppose this is a square which will be which this is the rectangle which will be forming. Wait a second. Suppose this is the rectangle which will be forming our left corner. This will be our left. Left will be A dot x1 comma B dot x1's maximum. Okay, this is top. This will be our minimum of ay2 comma by2. This is right. This will be minimum of this. Will be minimum of this two. This will be our top. Sorry, this will be our bottom. See, our left will be maximum of ax1 comma b1. Our bottom will be maximum ay dot y. Our right will be minimum of ax2 comma by2 bx2. See, our left will be maximum of ax1. Our left will be maximum of ax1 comma bx1. Our right will be minimum of ax2 comma bx2. Our bottom will be maximum of ay1 comma by1. Our top will be minimum of ay2 comma by2. So our height equals to, See here, our height will be top minus bottom. Okay, what is the height? It's our top minus bottom, and our left and right will be width will be right minus left. Right minus left, no? Okay. So square side will be whichever be the minimum of these two will become our minimum of height square side. So we will calculate for each which is our maximum square side for each of the pair of these squares, we rectangles. We will find each max side. Then we will keep updating the max side. Whatever our answer will be equals to max side square. Okay, we will see the code. See, I have taken this is height is top minus bottom. It is width right minus left. We will see what is the max side. It is side of square for now. We will contain a max make a maximum which will contain the maximum side for all the pairs of the rectangles, and we will return the maximum area. Thank you.